We are here on site number 5. It's a back-end site. You can see we have plenty of shade. It is on gravel, plenty of room for both the vehicles and our big 43-foot rig. Really, I guess it's 45. Have room here in the front. They have a picnic table, which I covered up, of course. They have our fire pit out here. It has the grate on it for cooking if you wanted to put that down. And this is our front yard and backyard. Now let me show y'all our Keystone Fuzion 427 Toyhualer. Front door opens up to the living room and the kitchen area. We have a brand new residential fridge that has water dispenser, ice maker, and all the things. We have some new lighting up here. The island here has the seating. There are 4 stools, 2 on that side and 2 on this side. We have the 3-burner gas stove, convection microwave that I love to cook on. Up the stairs here is the master bedroom. Normally these doors would be closed, but today is wash day, so I have them open, but they close, and they have 2 mirrors, and then that's our other closet. In here we have the main bath. It is a bath and a half, so we have the main bath here. And then when we head back into the garage, you'll see the half bath. We have the residential sofa with that folds up to give you 3 seats. It has all the buttons on it. They're electric. Fireplace, big screen TV. We have some extra storage up there. That is the loft. Coming back here into the garage, we took the couches and that second bed out and put in our desk so that we could work remotely. Up there you have the second bed. That's a queen bed that comes down. And then over here you have the television and the storage. This cabinet here we just bought from Lowe's. We added this so that we could have some extra storage in there. And back here is the half bath. Let me know if you have any questions.